How to get $60 Pretty Little Things promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you'll see the search box. Over there, type in Pretty Little Thing promo code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get a working promo code for Pretty Little Things. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm going to open this one. Coupon follow. After you open it, you're going to find amazing deals and offer 50% off, 30% off, 80% off, and many more. Get towards any of the offer that you want to grab. Just go ahead and click on it. So here is the code. You can copy it. Then click on redeem at Pretty Little Thing. You will be directed to the official website of Pretty Little Thing. Now you can log into your account, make your purchase, and proceed to checkout. While in the checkout page, you will find the section of code. Over there, paste your code and confirm your order. With that, you'll get the discount. Likewise, you can also try out other offers, as in this page, you're going to find tons of offers and deals. The process is same. Likewise, make sure to check out these websites as well, because these websites will also provide you working promo code for Pretty Little Things. Well, that's a wrap for this video. This way you can easily get $60 Pretty Little Things promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.